Hello everybody and welcome to this episode of Sharlos Arcade. In this episode we're featuring our this new updated Led Marquee and all the features that it is included. So listen to that jingle, come back, and I'll give you all the updates. Back at you.
Keep on playing those games with me because I am the one. Keep on playing those games with me because I am the one. Keep on playing those games with me because I am the one. With Sharlos, gaming is full of fun. With Sharlos, gaming is full of fun. With Sharlos, gaming is full of fun.
Thanks for still being here. Before I start this episode, I want to give a huge shout out to the Pixelcade folks, specifically Al Link. He helped me do some configuration with my cabinet. Al Link at pixelcade.org. This is where you can order a Led Marquee just like this for your cabinet. Now, I know it works with big box, launch box. I happen to be running Hyperspin. It also works with Raspberry Pi. I had a Raspberry Pi. That was what my initial build was. If you go back and look at some of my previous videos, that's how I started my arcade, was with a Pi 3. But now I've upgraded to a nice desktop PC, still running Windows 7, but I have an 8TB drive running Hyperspin. And so this is what you get. So just to give a little backstory, initially, if you look at my other cabinet over there, both of my marquees were just, I ordered a graphic design. I wanted, Sharlos Arcade and Sharlos Racing. And I had that design, that graphic printed out, put it behind the back glass, as you see here, or as you see there. This was Sharlos Arcade. It's still Sharlos Arcade, but however, it's nice and updated. So now, one of the cool features is whenever a game is displayed, that title of that game and some animation art for some of them displays right here on the screen. So I'm just gonna go through a couple of examples and show you how it works. So here I already have one here, it's Killer Instinct. That's Killer Instinct 2. Let's go to, just going through a few games so you can see how it works. Marvel Superheroes, it brings up Marvel. And this is was an example of some of the animation art or GIFs as how it's built in. It works with Led Marquee, and that works with Hyperspin. And as you see, that's how that works. So there's a folder in your Hyperspin folder. You'll have some picture art and some GIFs, and that's how you get that animation to go back and forth. As you see, Joust, and it doesn't just work with the games; it also works with the emulators. I'm going to go out of this is MAME. These are some of my favorites in MAMEs, just to give you an example. Works like that. Like I said, some of them have animations. Not all of them have animations, but some of them do. So go through the animations and then the game title comes up. But let me just show you some other features because I don't want this video to go extremely long. And if you have more questions, like I said, you can reach out to the people at pixelcade.org and they can definitely update you for your system as well. So let's get out of here. This is in main, and I'm going to show you some of the other features. So I'm going down to a different system. It shows you Cave, Capcom, it's Capcom CPS3, STV. So it also does it with the systems as well. Here's my light gun games. American laser games. And Title Type X. So it does it for the emulators, it does it for the games itself, and the beautiful thing about it, if you want to update it, you can go in and update your folders. Again, Al Link helped me with from Pixelcade. He helped me do some configuration of the files itself. And one of the main things that he was able to help me with that I really like about this is that I initially wanted to build a virtual pinball cab to go along with like I don't have enough cabinets, but I have pinball games on this cabinet and I have this setup to play the pinball games. The thing about playing pinball games is I don't have a back glass and I don't have the DMD, but Pixelcade allows you to turn this marquee into a actual DMD, and I'm going to give you an example and show you that here. So watch this. So not only does it do like in main and the other emulators that it gives you the title, but the cool part about on some of these pinball games is it actually is interactive. Check this out. See, it actually acts as a DMD on a real pinball machine. Look at that. Creepy, kooky, spooky. The Addams Family. How can you not like that, right? So watch as it interacts with, I'll do a little gameplay because I don't want this video to be too long. And that'll be that. Yeah, it even shows the credits. All right, let's start. Let's do a little bit. Obviously, I'm not that good at pinball. That's pretty cool. As you see, the score is going up. Oh, okay. So you get the point. So that's what it does with pinball. And like I said, it'll give. So I want to thank everybody for tuning into this episode, and also I want to thank the people at pixelcade.org, specifically Al Link. You can reach out to them to order you a nice Led Marquee if you're interested in doing something like this for your. Not only, like I said, you can even use it just as artwork on your wall, or your pinball cab, or your traditional arcade full upright cab like I have here, or it's just something on your desk. It has these built-in animations and built-in gifs, as well as picture art. And if you just want something for your man cave to just be on the wall, you can do that. There's a lot of different options, but check out that website, check out our link, and once again, thank you all for tuning in to Sharlos Arcade. Bye-bye. Next time.
Keep on playing those games with me because I am the one. Keep on playing those games with me because I am the one. Keep on playing those games with me because I am the one. With Sharlos, gaming is full of fun. With Sharlos, gaming is full of fun. With Sharlos, gaming is full of fun.